New Chef is the developer of the unique New Chef microwave container. The New Chef container can be used to directly heat and cook fresh ingredients in the microwave, rather than merely using the microwave as a tool to heat pre-cooked foods. And as a result, the aroma of freshly cooked dishes can be enjoyed straight from the microwave.
この容器は形状はこういう非常に円盤みたいな形をしておりますが、構造は3点構造にこの3つに分解できます。でこの3つに簡単に分解できる容器が料理を生から本格調理できるという世界の容器に世界で初めての容器になっております。
The New Chef container can be used to prepare a rich variety of menu items such as rice, stews, pasta, and risotto. And New Chef is now developing various menus that can be prepared using the New Chef container and is marketing the container at delivery and takeout shops.
非常に短時間、だいたい5分前後で、和洋中世界すべての料理、世界各国の料理を完全調理いたします。
The unique feature of this container is that it is made of polypropylene. The steam that is generated inside the container when heating efficiently cooks all the ingredients, resulting in a perfectly cooked, delicious dish. DigInfo News.